Before we move on to our two hardware categories, we would like to take a minute to pay tribute to a member of the 3D printing community who tragically passed away last year at the young age of 32. Sanjay Mortimer, director and co-founder of E3D. Sanjay was a passionate and innovative engineer who, together with his co-founders, transformed a 3D printing hobby into a global enterprise, producing world-leading hot ends, nozzles, and extruders for 3D printing hardware systems. Sanjay was well loved in the industry, and anyone who met him couldn't help but be impassioned by his enthusiasm for the technology that we all love. His legacy must live on, and as such, E3D have launched a charitable foundation in his memory, to support potential engineers of tomorrow. The Sanjay Mortimer Foundation will support gifted children and young adults on their 3D printing journey through access to funding, equipment, and opportunities. In honor of Sanjay, we at TCT will be working with E3D to develop a Sanjay Mortimer Award to celebrate the achievements of these young engineers who are going to be supported by the foundation. And more will be revealed in the run-up to next year's TCT Awards. To say a few words in Sanjay's memory and to tell you more about the foundation set up in his name, please welcome to the stage Dave Lamb from E3D.
Thank you very much, everybody. Sanjay was an inspiration within the 3D printing community. A passionate character, he had a vision of changing the way that the world manufactures goods. At E3D, we always felt that FDM was the most accessible type of 3D printing, and our mission is to create the most advanced technology to drive FDM forwards, and to do so very much in Sanjay's memory. As some of you will know, Sanjay suffered from ADHD, and being a maker and being part of the 3D printing community was a fantastic way for him to channel this limitless energy. In this way, 3D printing was more than just a job for Sanjay. It was a true love, a passion, and a release. Before E3D, Sanjay and I were both teachers and shared a love for education, and the E in E3D does stand for education. Bringing learning and making together was exactly why we started, and is exactly why we have created the Sanjay Mortimer Foundation, to support young, neurodiverse individuals in developing skills that they did not know that they had, and enabling them to channel their energy into making and engineering. We're very touched by the TCT that they're going to be honoring Sanjay in such a way with this award. And we're excited to work together over the coming months to define exactly what that looks like. It would really tickle Sanjay to know that he had an award in his name, so thank you all very, very much.